Today was a really important day, really good day overall. We just picked up something. Check it out. ARB fridge, 47 quart, single zone. Got this from 4 Wheel Parts here in Jacksonville. About to do an unboxing. Do an unboxing, shall we? So what I have here today is the ARB Zero Fridge Freezer, the 47 quart 44 liter that I picked up from 4 Wheel Drive Parts, and they had it in stock, so I ordered online and picked it up in the store. Didn't have to wait too long. So right now I'm just going to do an unboxing of the fridge to show you what comes inside, what to expect when you're opening it up. So be careful when you are opening things up with sharp objects, so that way you don't tear anything open. Use my Leatherman tool right here to open this up. This is not a toy, Zeke. So let's dive in. Box right here, we already got it open, and just gonna go ahead and take off this packaging. Really good cardboard throughout the entire front, top, and sides of the fridge, so that's why I'm not worried about the one little puncture hole on the side of the box. So you see right here, the entire fridge was, very nicely protected. And we're gonna go ahead and lift this out of the box. And you can see inside the fridge, there's a box with probably your instruction and manual. Smells really good, brand new. Let's check it out. So now that we got the fridge out of the box, first impressions are, man, this thing looks very sleek. It feels kind of heavy, but not super heavy. And I like how it has these inserts on top, so you can put your, cup holder, bowls. That way it doesn't slide off the fridge. ARB logo on the side, and you have a power port right here on the back for your power connection. On the front, ARB logo with another power inputs, and all your controls right there with power inputs. And then right here is the lid. This is the 47 quart 44 liter single zone freezer. So let's see, we got some tie down points right here. So we're gonna put the straps if you put a slide on. QR code, and that's it. So we'll get it hooked up. See what's inside this box. So one tray pulls out, and then you have another tray in there. So what we have here is a little box that comes inside, and it's gonna most likely have instructions and power cord. Just take off this little tape right here. Now, let's check this out. So if you look inside there, you're gonna see you have your power socket for your car plug right here. And then we're gonna also have your wall outlet right here. And then this is another little serial code QR code sticker in case your other one falls off. So I'm gonna put that on the outside, and your manual. So there you have it. It's the ARB Zero Fridge Freezer. This is just an unboxing video. I'm gonna do another video following this that will include more details on the fridge and power methods, what I'm gonna use to power it up. So there's a little bit more of the inside look. Comes with a very nice basket so you can load out stuff easier. There's a drain hole right here on the bottom. In case you have something that spills in there, you can empty it out. A really nice LED light so you can see things at night. And for being 47 liters, I think it's gonna be, it'll suffice what I need it for. I normally don't go out for a long time. Sometimes like 2 days, 3 days camping. Sometimes just a one-nighter. And I think that for how much space this is gonna be really good for those beach day trips. And you can separate food right here, and then right there you can put like a taller, like a orange juice or milk, or a tall brewski up there, bro. But anyways, like, overall first impressions are this fridge is very, very nice looking, feels very well made, and I'm sure it'll perform just as great. So pretty excited to get this in the FJ and hooked up properly with a nice fridge slide, possibly a tilt one. And if you see right there, there's also USB on the front. Your 2 different AC and DC power options, on and off button. Just look at the details on this. Very sleek, very clean, not cheaply made. It's gonna be a very nice addition to the back of the FJ. Zeke thinks so too. So stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna hook it up and get this thing chilled.